a tutti, bentornati in questo nuovo video. Welcome back to this new video. This week I wanted to make a quiz for you. It is going to be aimed at A1 students, and the topic for the quiz is going to be definite and indefinite articles. If you have studied Italian, you probably know that definite and indefinite articles are everywhere in the language. Therefore, it is one of the first topics that students learn when they study Italian. In case you want to review the articles before the test, I have some videos about them. I will link them down in the description box. That way you can decide whether to see them or just trying to take the test anyways. There are going to be 20 questions. For each one, you will be given 10 seconds to reflect on the answer. After that, I will tell you the correct answer and the full complete sentence. Time to begin our test. Buona fortuna! The correct answer is number 2. Il. Puoi passarmi il sale, per favore? Can you pass me the salt, please? The correct answer is number 1. Una. Voglio cucinare una torta questo pomeriggio. I want to cook a cake this afternoon. The correct answer is number 3. L'. L'aereo per Los Angeles sta decollando. The plane for Los Angeles is taking off. The correct answer is number 1. Uno. Luigi è uno studente molto intelligente. Luigi is a very intelligent student. The correct answer is number 3. Il. Guarda come splende il sole. Look at how the sun shines. We use il because sole is a masculine noun. The correct answer is number 1. Gli. Gli alberi nel tuo giardino sono altissimi. The trees in your backyard are very tall. The correct answer is number 2. Il mio libro di matematica è molto lungo. My math book is very long. The correct answer here is number 3. No article. Vieni al ristorante con me e mia sorella? Do you come to the restaurant with my sister and I? Contrary to the previous sentence, here we don't put the article. Possessive adjectives like mio, mia, tuo, tua, most of the times will require the definite article in front of them. However, we do not place the article when we're talking about family members in the singular form, like mia sorella or mia mamma, mio papà. The correct answer here is number 4. L'. Non ho passato l'esame di biologia. I didn't pass the biology exam. The correct answer here is number 2, un apostrophe. Alessia è un'amica fantastica. Alessia is a great friend. The correct answer here is number 3, un. Ho comprato un orologio nuovo. Quello vecchio non funziona più. I bought a new watch. The old one doesn't work anymore. Contrary to the previous sentence here, we picked un without apostrophe. The indefinite article un with apostrophe is only used with feminine nouns, of course starting with a vowel. The correct answer here is number 4. Gli autobus non passano mai a quest'ora. Buses never pass at this time. Autobus is a foreign word. Therefore, it's the same in the singular and in the plural forms. In order to understand if it is used in the singular or in the plural, we need to see the verb. In this case, passano is plural. They pass. And that's how we can choose the masculine plural article. The correct answer here is number 4, una. Questa è una canzone che ascolto sempre. This is a song I always listen. Canzone is a feminine singular noun, therefore we use una. The correct answer here is number 1, I. Hai finito I compiti? Have you finished the homework? The correct answer here is number 2, le. Le informazioni che mi hai dato non sono esatte. The information you've given to me is not exact. In Italian, contrary to English, we have both the singular and the plural form of the word information. The singular is l'informazione. It is a feminine noun. The plural becomes le informazioni. Just a little reminder that in Italian, words that end with E in their singular form could be feminine or it could be masculine. Unfortunately, there's not a rule to tell if it is one or the other, but you will learn them on the way. One thing is sure, every time you have a word ending with E in the singular, it will end in I in the plural, regardless of its gender. The correct answer here is number 3, una. Posso fare una domanda? Can I make a question? The correct answer here is number 4, gli. Uso sempre gli occhiali da sole durante l'estate. I always use sunglasses during summer. The correct answer here is number 1, il. Bevo il caffè tutte le mattine. I drink coffee all mornings. The correct answer here is number 3, uno. Ho visto uno zaino molto bello. I saw a very nice backpack. Okay, so this is it. Leave a comment with your score as well as any questions that you may have. I hope you're happy with your result and I hope you had fun taking this quiz. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you the next week with a new video. A presto!